Hello, hello.
Hi!
Hi, hello po.
What's your name?
I'm Iya Heling.
Taga saan kayo?
I'm from Batangas po.
I'm so sorry hindi ko umikot. I was waiting and waiting and then I realized tapos na yung kanta. But hindi tapos yung career mo because you have such a beautiful, beautiful gift.
You could have laid back on the song a little more. It felt sa akin na oversung, di ba? So, dun buo pa sa aking lesson na parang less is more, di ba?
Sobrang lapit ko na talaga na i-push yung red button. Kasi, unang-una sa lahat, I love the song choice. It's not the typical audition piece na pinipili ng mga auditionees. Kaya siguro mas critical ako. Kasi ang dami mga bagay kanina na ginawa mo na gusto ko, pero mali lang yung placement. Kailangan mo matutunan paano baguhin yung colors ng boses mo. But please do not let this define who you are. Na hindi kami umikot, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ka magaling, magaling ka. Maybe hindi pa lang ito yung panahon mo ngayon. But to give you a perfect example, let me introduce a very close friend of mine na isa sa mga artists na nanggaling dito sa The Voice. Hindi siya nanalo, but she turned out to be the most streamed OPM female artist in the Philippines.
Love her!
So kung meron mang tao na pwedeng mag-encourage sa'yo na hindi ito ang magde-define ng success mo at ng pagiging artist mo, siya yun. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Moira De La Torre.
Hi, everyone. Hi.
Moira!
Ini-skirt mo naman kami, friend.
Oo nga eh, hindi mo sinabi malamig.
Nilalamig kami.
Nung pinapanood kita backstage, muntik ako maiyak kasi bumalik sa akin yung memories ko nung sumali ako ng Voice Season 1. And nakita ko yung mga mata mo. Tapos naalala ko kung paano ako all those years ago. And alam ko kung possibly ano yung mga tumatakbo sa utak mo ngayon. But I want you to know that it all works out. We may not know how it works out, but it does if we just trust God. May mga hindi tayo ma-explain, may mga tanong tayo na hindi lagi masasagot. But I hope that yung hindi nila pag-ikot, that won't define you kasi napakagaling mo, napakaganda mo. And I hope that you never stop because this journey of yours, it doesn't end here. I will root for you. I am proud of you. And I am so excited for you. Congratulations.
Yeah!